Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to fix Instagram, uh, how to fixing Instagram bug in my phone. The answer is simple. Just go to the settings and then scroll down to the apps, and then as you see, go to the search, and here search on Instagram. Okay, so now go to the storage, and here you will find this clear cache. Click on it and go check it if it worked, and if it didn't work, you can maybe try to restart the phone, and if it didn't work again, you can try maybe to clear data. But be careful, when you wanna clear data, you will lose all your data. So that's for today, and see you. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.